Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to another episode of Life with MaryAnn and Joe. And in today's episode, I'm going to be continuing my 2023 Easter Spring series. And today I'm going to be working in the kitchen on the mantle over the stove. I'm keeping it light, I think. I have this little project that I'm going to be showing you how I did. And I hope you like it. So stay tuned for the how I did what I did.
So I have the idea for over the mantle to do birdhouses, but not like fat birdhouses. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a board to make the shape like this, right? And then I'll have the point to make a little roof here. So then this one will be the tallest one. It'll be in the back, and then these two will be shorter, and they'll be like slightly in front of this, and then these two will be taller than this but not as tall as this, and they'll be behind. And then I'm going to put them all together, and then they'll be on a board here so that I'll be able to place them over the mantle of the stove, because I think I'm going to go for that spring bird kind of a look up there. So I took my circular saw and I cut down a board like this, and I made pieces like so, okay? And then I'm going to hot glue them together. I hot glued all my roofs to my pieces, and now I'm going to put them together to match the thing that I drew out. And I'm going to use hot glue again. Okay, so I hot glued my pieces together now. I'm just going to clean up some of this stuff using painter's caulking. No. Yuck. All right, better. That's better. All right, so this mini project is turning into like this mega project. So anyway, what happened was I took them apart, and then I stenciled them last night. And actually I only stenciled the branches, and then I just hand painted these little flowers. But they're more orange than yellow. I wanted them yellow, but they're very orange. So anyway, I'm figuring out what I'm going to do. I have to get some black and green. I'm going to see how that looks. But then what I did was I just took really thin cardboard and I put it on the roof. See what I did? I made like little squares and I just overlapped them on top of each other. And I did this one in front here, and this one I did stripes like that. And then that one I just put like a little roof on it. And that one I did vertical stripes and so on. So I'm just showing you this because if you like this and you're going to recreate it, maybe you can miss all the messed up steps that I did. All right, so can I tell you, I cannot tell you how many times I painted and repainted and whatever, and then I decided, you know what, I just put an antique white on each one of them, and then I just, while the paint was still wet, I just put pink on, I brushed it through, and that was it. And actually, MaryAnn was passing through the garage when I was working on it, and she was like, oh, those look nice, so whatever, so those are going to stay like that. Then the next thing I did was I got a board here, and I screwed one screw each into each one of these to hold on to them. And then you can also see I put some hot glue on here, and now I'm just going to kind of jazz them up a little bit, and I'll show you that. All right, so I hot glued some flowers on and birds and stuff. Okay, so here's where I'm working, the mantle above the stove up here. All right, so I wanted to go really light, for spring. I have these branches with these buds. It looks like the tree is just getting ready to open. So I put these way up here above the crown molding. Now, I always use my same trick. I actually have a board in there, and I have Garland there wrapped onto that board, and then I can use it as a sticking point for my whatever. And in this case, it's these branches.
Okay, everybody, thanks so much for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thumbs up is always helpful, and I'll be seeing you at my next project really soon. Okay, everybody, take care. Bye-bye.